Hi everyone! Today I am showing you some of the technology you will need to know how to use for my class. My classroom is a Google Classroom. We will be using more than just Google products for our assignments, but the majority of our assignments I will have you submit over Google products like Google Docs. Google Docs will be used the most because I will have a lot of your assignments in our class submitted through Google Docs. The main assignment you will complete on Google Docs is your lab reports for all of our chemistry labs. I want to save as many trees as possible, so I will have you share them with me online instead of printing them out to turn them in. Let me quickly show you what to do. For example, let's pretend this slideshow is your Google Doc of your lab report. You are going to go up to this share button in the corner and click it. It will be in the right-hand corner on all Google products like Google Docs. Then you need to enter in my email address into this box right here. And on the right is a drop-down. You want to click it and make sure it's on the right settings. It needs to either be set to Can Edit or Can Comment. I need to be able to give you feedback. So as long as it is on one of these options, I can do just that. Then, in the note box, I want you to put your name and your class period, the date, and lastly, write that it is a lab report, so I know what is on the file. This is all the information that I will need. Lastly, go ahead down here and click Send. It will send me an email with the note and the link to your lab report so that I know you turned your lab report in. Well, that is all that I have for today. Any other technology programs that we will use for assignments, I will go over them in class when they come up in the future to make sure all of us are on the same page for how to turn in your assignments. I hope you all have a good day.